have indigestion right now. It's like 9:30. I think it's this bread that I've started eating that's been giving it to me because every time I have it, I feel like dying. Anyways, I'm exhausted. I had 3 appointments today. Solid Color, Tier 2, and Mystery Manny. I want coffee, but my stomach hurts too much, so I can't. Okay, remember all the drama I had with Taskrabbit? With the guy installing my shelves and then falling out of the walls? They finally got back to me with a solution, so I paid like $200 for the services, and they're giving me a $160 credit to be used towards a future Taskrabbit, as well as like an $80 refund, which is really nice. So I'm accepting that offer. Fortunately, I do know how to use a drill, so I fixed the shelves myself with the assistance of Pat, and hopefully our next Taskrabbit encounter is a little bit better. I mean, we've always had such good experiences, so I was surprised when this one went south so fast, but it did, and that's that. Okay, also, I got a parcel in from Armani. It's lip gloss. It's they very kindly sent this over to me. It's a PR parcel. Open it up. Introducing Prisma Glass, Armani Beauty's new breakthrough lip gloss icons with an innovative oil-in-gloss technology that delivers multi-dimensional volume and shine. There's more, but I won't bore you guys. I love a lip gloss. I've been wearing so much lip gloss these days and buying a lot of lip gloss. So this couldn't come at a better time. Okay, we have shades 1, 2, 4, and 5. 1, classic clear. This is number 2. That's a really cute little peachy pink. I'm guessing they're relatively sheer. Yeah, it looks like it's sheer. Number 4. Okay, I love a gloss in a red. It's so jelly. Let's put it on. Oh, it feels really nice. Yeah, it's like not crazy sticky. Like, it's got a little bit of a tack to it because it's like a gloss product, but it feels really nice. And it's just like a very soft tint. Ooh, okay. And then this one's kind of like a pinky color with a bit of a gold sheen in it. That's pretty. I'm not so much like a sheeny kind of girl. I like a gloss, not so much a sheen. So I might gift this to a family member, but it looks really pretty. Thanks, Armani. I just put the pink gloss on. I think it looks really pretty. Okay, I'm going home. Bye. Good morning. Absolutely miserable outside today. I have 2 appointments today, both of them being a tier 3, okay? One at 10 a.m. and then one at 4 p.m. So there's a potential for a big break in between, depending on how fast I work today, but I'm a little bit tired, so I don't know how fast that'll be. I'm sad that I had to take the TTC rather than walk here today because I've been enjoying walking, but it is what it is. I am quite pleased with myself though today. I had the foresight to make myself a coffee at home, and I could certainly use one, so. I'll finish my first client and I have like 2.5 hours until my next. I'm eating my lunch. I'm watching Vanderpump from the beginning. I've never seen it. We started, Pat and I started together, but he's seemingly lost interest. So now I can watch it here at the studio, which is great. So I'm gonna eat more leftover Chinese food and watch that. I'm excited. Oh, and then maybe I'm gonna draw up a set for myself for tomorrow. So I'm gonna do my own nails tomorrow because these are killing me. 5 weeks. 5 weeks. It's 8:30. I just finished up my final appointment, and now I'm gonna clean up quick and head home because I'm gonna take the TTC. I want to get going before it's too late. Hello, I just had my one client of the day, and now I'm gonna do my own nails. We're excited. It's 12:43. Let's see how long it takes me. Good morning. It's effing cold out today. Naturally, it's very hot in here. So I was gonna treat myself to a little coffee this morning at the coffee shop beside my studio, but they're filming something and there's a full setup in there. I was like looking in the window and I was like, those don't look like regular people. Those look like crew members. And sure enough, it's closed. morning. I have 2 appointments today. My first one at 11. My next one, I don't know, sometime after that. I just walked, so I'm a little bit sweaty, but I'm gonna eat my scone now and chill and enjoy the blue skies out my window.